Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Today in this video, we will find out how easily we can make money by simply participating on Google survey. You are not going to be rich, but at least you will have some money so you can buy products from your Play Store account. So let's see how we can do that.
First, open your Play Store account and just type in rewards, or you can type in the name of this application, which is Google Opinion Rewards. So I have already downloaded it, but for you guys I am showing you how this application will looks like when you open it for the very first time. You can skip this or slide it and done. You can tell your annual income or select not preferred to say, then next. Select the language that you speak fluently, enter your postal code, then your age and gender as well. Now agree if you satisfied with the terms and next. Choose your Google account and OK. Now I am in the home page and you can see that I have already earned more than 100 rupees. Now I have new survey available. Let's open this. Here it asking which of the Google product I have used in the last 30 days. Selecting the answers and next. Again answer the questions as per your best knowledge. Voila, for only 2 questions I get 13 rupees. So this is how you can earn money by giving the answer of these simple questions. Before we go, let's this fact to be clear, that is, you cannot get this survey very frequently and the reward money will not be the same for every survey. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.